so guys, get this going, but we're gonna do a quick meatloaf as well. Alright, so you usually got, I got a little pound of about a pound of meat, 80%, 80 to 20% is kind of what you want. Usually, you put a pound of beef and a pound of pork, but today we're not doing that. We're just doing beef. So we're gonna put that in there. Seasoning wise, about a teaspoon of each, about 2 teaspoons of garlic. So I'm not gonna measure, but I'm kind of like, boom, garlic. I might put a little extra salt just because we didn't put pork in there. So I'm gonna be a little generous on that. I'm gonna put a little pepper. I like pepper, so I'm gonna put a good bit. Okay. A little bit of smoked paprika. Just a little bit. My girl likes slap your mama more, so we're gonna go ahead and put a little, a little Cajun seasoning. And a little bit of onion powder. Cool. I'm gonna mix it up. 2 eggs as well. And we're gonna do some breadcrumbs. And then what we do down here, we're gonna put some barbecue sauce in it. So choose whatever barbecue you like, but we're gonna use the hickory brown and sugar because my glaze is gonna be brown sugar. But to show y'all. All right. So we're gonna do about, what you think, Mama? A little more?
Yeah, about a half a handful. Cool.
Yep.
Yeah.
Cool. And then we're gonna put some barbecue sauce in there. What you think, Mama? You're gonna tell me when to stop.
And stop. Smells great.
Just because I don't like listening. Alrighty. And then we're gonna mix it up. I'm gonna add some onions as well. A little bit of garlic. And mix that in there too. Alright, so I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil on it. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put it in here. Alright, so I kind of formed it, like this, a little meatloaf. Got this temperature, what more? What's the temperature? 400? Alright, so I got it at 400 already. Cool, that's it. And we're gonna go ahead and throw it in there just like that for 50 minutes, 40 or 45 minutes. Boom. Alright, real quick. I'm gonna do the glaze. You're gonna put this on top, probably it's gonna be great. Got about half a cup of brown sugar. Ketchup. It's gonna be the main, makes it all liquidy. And then we're gonna put just a little bit of mustard. Just regular mustard. You can use Dijon mustard. Just about there. I'm gonna show you real quick. Cool. Just want it a little thick, so there you go. So it's gonna be at 160 degrees. So we're gonna check it out. So rub it on there. I'll show y'all. Put this back in real quick. Put it in. Put another 6 minutes. Pull that out. Ooh, I like it like that. Ooh, a little burnt, but I like it crunchy like that. We're gonna cut it up.